Hello everybody, this is Vintage Fan Collector TV here with another ceiling fan testing video in my garage, and today we have a 1985 Casablanca Panama 5 ceiling fan in polished brass. It uses the InteliTouch control, and it has a K5L Casablanca light kit with hunter shades, a 5 only flywheel, and a 2-foot downrod. And I'll go ahead and give it a demonstration, starting with the light. Alright, starting with the lowest speed. This one does not need the light kit to be on for it to change the speeds, thankfully. This one actually works how it's supposed to be. How it's supposed to entirely, unlike my other Panama and the Zephyr that didn't even go to high speed. Oh, that thing is a interesting fan. So I'm glad this works at least. I am getting a Spirit of Saturn really soon, so that'll also be in the test mount, or I'll just install it in my room and do a video. Speed 2. Has a little torque because I don't have a hang true plate, so the screws may make it seem a little like it has massive torque, but it really doesn't. It does get a little boost before the speeds, though. That's why you hear the buzzing sound. And speed 3. I tried demo mode, it does not do demo mode. And there's also no way to make the light kit have only the center globe on, other than unscrewing all the bulbs. Except for the center one. Speed 4. It's got some bearing noise once you get to medium. Nothing a little WD-40 can't fix. Just because it hasn't been installed in a while. It was hanging in the Habitat display place. Alright, speed 5. Unless that's 6. No, it's not. No, speed 6. 6. There we go. That's speed 6. But yeah. So here's high speed. This is the fastest InteliTouch fan I have experienced at the moment. All the other ones are slower. This thing's a powerhouse. And it's a really nice looking fan. I like it with these globes and this light kit. Wouldn't mind installing it, but I'm going on. I can't. This is the only fan I will be testing today. After this, the pewter Zephyr goes back up. Or I could just take the fan down and leave nothing. And leave, I want to put a fan up here. Yeah. But after this, I have to pack, so. The flywheel is a bit warped. That's not too bad, though. It doesn't seem like it wants to wobble very much at all, which I'm actually quite pleased. Looking at how the flywheel looks. Oh. Okay, but yeah, this thing works pretty well. I could fix the bearings, but I'll do that. So yeah, 5-blade only, but hey, it looks nice with 5 blades. I mean, I like it with 5 blades as much as I would with 4. However, the antique brass look better with 4. Some fans, I think polished brass Panamas look better with 5. Honestly, just that's my opinion. Plus, on a longer downrod, it looks cooler with 5 blades. But the Saturn I'm getting is black and polished brass, and it is 5-blade only as well. So it has the stencil on the blades. No stepped hanging though. And it comes with a control, thankfully, so another nice thing. Yeah, so originally I was going to use those other globes, those rare ones I used on my how to install a ceiling fan, a Casablanca fan video. But one of them decided to fall. But no, it didn't like completely shatter, just clean breaks. I'm so amazed that it did that. I can super glue it back. So yeah, I'll have to work on that later. Unless, of course, there might be an extra one at fan store. The blades are warped as well. And some of them are scratched. The reason I got this for $5 is because one of the brackets was actually broken when they had taken it off of the display shelf. However, I have a ton of those short arm brackets, like this one, so I just put another one on, and I bought it for $5 and brought it home with me. I got a W32. It was wired for 3-way. They said that this has an XLP 2000 motor on the quite expensive tag of $249, but it's clearly K55 and it's from 85. It's got a big thick switch housing right here. If it was XLP, it would most likely be, and I highly doubt, for sure it would not have pointed tip blades, because these are the original blades. Everything except for the light kit is original, and also the switch cap, because it didn't come with one. It came with the K4S, which I'm already using on another fan, so I wanted to see what this looked like with a loop arm fitter anyway. The top of the blades have paint splotches, and some of the bottoms are scratched, so whatever, but it still looks really nice. Nope, that's the fan. I meant to click the light. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and do a little walk around with the light on, just so you can see everything better. And there's the tag. Better lit situation. And the flywheel, the vents. I bet I could find which arm is not. I think it might be this one. That is the new arm. It looks a little different from the rest. I don't know, I think this is actually the replacement arm, because I think the blade was really scratched up, the one with the broken arm. So yeah, I think this one is, but it obviously doesn't make it wobble anymore, so hey. So anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. I know it's kind of long, but it's worth it. My first fully working InteliTouch fan on this mount. Guess that you could say that third's a charm, because this is the third one I put on here. So hey, yeah. So if I get demo mode working, I'll put a little short video of demo mode working, and I'll just use the stupid YouTube. Well, it's not stupid. It's sometimes useful YouTube video editor, because right now I don't have an editing software. I don't know why I don't, but I don't. So yeah. Anyway. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.